Okay, about to record model information. The first thing I want to point out is that 0 out of 25, that's the number of model fields that are available to fill in that have been filled in, and none of them have been filled in yet. This is on web. I recorded the paint yesterday, but I kind of messed it up, so I'm going to do it on web, and it's here to show you that it's the same in web as it is on mobile, or as close as it can be. Fill in the template, which in the case of paint has 5. Instead of bathroom and kitchen, we're going to do exterior trim and laundry room paint. So that's still 5 paint models. This is being done in real time. I have to talk fast because it happens fast. I have the pictures ready to go, but I'm going to capture model tag for these paint buckets. Walls, trim, ceilings. Going to upload the file for the ceiling paint bucket. And the walls had an actual like Sherwin-Williams tag, so you saw that. Exterior trim, and then laundry room, and they're all getting read at the same time. You don't have to wait for the one to finish before you do the other one. And we're about to see a nice list of all the paint we used on this paint job. They've now loaded. Now they've loaded. Now they've loaded. And you can see all the fields are filled in. And we're going to scroll down. We got walls paint with the tag there, the tag photo there, trim. And then looks like it loaded again, but walls, trim, ceilings, exterior, and laundry room. Landlord's operating manual, record your paint types.